The sound of a car horn through Adam's apartment window pane. It's Tony, his friend from college, who texted him last night that he is taking Adam to have some fun and celebrate the first day of their summer break. Tony didn't tell him where they are going. It's a surprise. Today's a special day. Let's go. Adam guesses that they might go to the beach that Tony mentioned a week ago. A nice cafe with a cute waitress and a very nice sunset viewpoint. Adam thought, that sounds pretty awesome, so he said yes without any questions. After an almost 3-hour ride, suddenly Adam realized that they are not on the route to the beach, but going someplace very different, a familiar road that is horrifying to think about. Adam was not so sure until he saw a road sign that said Green Spring Mountain, and Adam starts whining. Wait, are we going to Green Spring Mountain? I thought we were going to the beach. Surprise! Come on, it's gonna be fun. Adam doesn't want to go there and wants to go back now. But before Adam could say anything further, both of them spotted something in the middle of the road ahead of them. A car slows down while approaching that object, and it's clear that's a man in a pink bunny suit standing in the middle of the road. That's weird. A man in a costume stands in the middle of the road in a deep wood like this? This costume man makes Adam start to feel sick. Tony stops the car about 15 feet away. He honks the car horn, waiting for the costume guy to get out of the road. The pink rabbit costume guy didn't speak or didn't move for a moment, but suddenly he pulls out an axe that he hides behind his back and throws it at the car's front windshield. Adam and Tony are super shocked and scared. An axe stuck deep in front of the car window. The rabbit costume guy walks towards the car. Drive! Get out of here! Hurry! Tony gets a grip and tries to control his shaking hands to turn the car around and drive away. What was that? Is it trying to kill us? This is so crazy! I don't know! Just get out of here first! They couldn't go far. In a split second, the car engine makes a loud noise once and stops. No! Why now? What a hellish day! They have no choice but to leave the car and run. They can see the rabbit costume guy is walking after them. His axe makes a squeaky sound on a road surface. Tony and Adam run for their lives but get exhausted from running after only a few minutes. The rabbit man is getting closer and closer behind them. He doesn't seem to be slowing down at all. It's now totally dark, no phone signal, and no car passing by. There's nowhere to hide. What now? I can't run anymore. Let's run into the wood, hide until dawn, and try to find help tomorrow. Quick! Adam didn't know what to do. So he runs into the wood, so does the rabbit man. But Adam found out soon that he has lost Tony. Tony? Tony? Where are you? No! Adam keeps running and seeing the rabbit man every way he turns. In the scariest moment, his subconscious brings back a memory. The image of a pink rabbit. Eventually, Adam stopped at the edge of the cliff. No way to run now, because the rabbit man blocks every direction. Adam faces the rabbit man. He now remembers. Oh please! I'm sorry! I didn't mean it! It was an accident! Adam keeps apologizing, stepping backward while Rabbit Man approaches him with his axe. Adam's shaking legs tripped over the rocks and he fell off the cliff. His body disappears into the black river down below. A sudden sound of silence. 2 years ago, Katie is a smart and popular girl in high school. Katie met Tony at a state English literature competition. They fell in love at first sight, although They lived in a different hometown. They kept in touch via text messenger. Tony gave Jane a pink rabbit doll keychain as a gift because he knew that Katie loved rabbits. Adam is a boy who went to the same high school with Katie. I don't want to do this, but Katie's soul couldn't rest in peace and go to the next world if this is not done. This was Tony and Katie's plan all along. Tony got into the same college with Adam and made friends with him. He lured Adam here to kill him, to release his lover's soul from her last memory. Katie, today is 2 years since you disappeared. It's all done, my love. You may rest in peace now. I'll miss you. Teardrops falling from their eyes. Adam holds a dirty pink rabbit keychain tightly. They hug for the last time and cry in deep emotion before Katie slowly vanishes out of his arms into thin air.